So in this tutorial, you're going to see me using this and this to make these makeshift glow sights. But this did not work. It acted like a gel, and it wound up just peeling off the day after. So don't use this. I'm sure it's good for other things where you have to compress stuff together, but I'm not gonna use it. I fixed it with crazy glue, and it still came out clear. So that's the main thing. Here's the final product. And it actually turned out really good with just crazy glue. Without further ado, Chris Ramsey, we'll get into the video. So, today, we have my Walther CCP 9. Got a little special thing to do. We're gonna pretend to put glow sights. These sights are kind of terrible. I've already started. You can see some of the residue from the last attempt, but I didn't have toothpicks, so now I do. Start by unloading the firearm. Dropping. Cool. So now we have a safe firearm. We have a paper towel. We have this thing called Glow Away. Bought this for $5 at Walmart. Roughly $5. This was also about $5, but it claims it'll be crystal clear. Toothpicks. Take this top off. Now in here is kind of a recess where this can actually poke in it. Same goes for the back. This is almost essential for this to work. Take a little drip. It's probably too much, but just dab this in there. Just dab it and dab it until it falls in, till it's full. You can cheat, I guess, and do this. Now, even though you have residue, this stuff will wash off, which is why we have the super glue to seal it when we're done. But I just want to get that nice and full. Basically now, I wanted to just show you what globs look like. And we're gonna clean that up by using the other end of a toothpick. Let's see if I can catch this. So where the circles are, you just wipe away. whatever you can. Just a little time and a little patience. Take off as much as you can on the outside and do a nice little sweep. Oh, I was not even on the camera. I'm sorry. Filming on my phone on my kitchen counter. And I've opened up a cabinet to prop my phone up on, so no professional work here as far as videography goes. Not worried about that. This is for everyone that wants to be on a budget. Just simply use your phone to film. I don't even know if I want to use the toothpick. Okay, my first time doing this, so. It says there's a precision tip. We're gonna try just to drip a drop real easy. We're gonna clean that up in a minute. I do front sight, which I actually want to apply a little more to the front of this. Barely good. Reason being is I want my front sight to be brighter than my rear sights. This time I don't think I want to sweep over the top. I hear my daughter in there, she's laughing. I hope that picks up in the video, that's pretty cool. She's watching a movie. Alright, now when you think you've satisfied yourself with this, call it a day. Front sight. Ooh, you gotta have steady hands with this. It might even be easier if it dried a little first. like I said, it's my first time. I'm gonna try to shorten this video up in the edit, but I wanna see what you wanna see. What I mean by that is, nobody wants to watch a super long video. You wanna make sure you leave it sitting upright when it dries so it doesn't drain all down the side of your gun. Okay, I just thought of something. Piece of paper, like, you know those envelopes you get in the mail where you have to tear out these serrated things? I think that would work a little better to clean up these edges. So, because it absorbs, so I'm just gonna rub it like that. You know, even if these don't glow for very long, at least the sights are brought all the way out. Now, instead of a recessed white dot, it's difficult to see. So it's sat for about 10 or 15 minutes. But I went back and said I should just apply this, oops, the whole little square area. All that has super glue, so it stays sealed. A little shiny, but it's time to test it out. All right, there you have it. Not extremely bright, but let's see. Well, and that's it. Walther CCP. $10 upgrade. Like how it's a bigger circle now. Daytime or nighttime.